If you want a real business, but you don't want to learn tech, you don't need another course, you need a whole machine installed. This is the AI installer model. It's limited spots, and in 14 days, we install your entire AI installer infrastructure. So all you do is sales calls. And if you don't want to do the sales calls, we can put setters and callers in place as well. Most people fail because they try to build the business while learning the business, flying the airplane while building it. We skip all that. We build it for you. And here's the truth: businesses don't need more marketing, they need speed because the faster responder wins the money. And that's why installer model works. You install lead filtering, instant follow-up, booked calls. So instead of just chasing ghosts, you become the person who fixes the leak. The leakage fixer, the installer that fixes the leak is you. Your clients get more qualified leads, no more wasted time, instant follow-up so leads don't go cold, more book calls while the owner sleeps, and more revenue because every lead gets followed up like a machine. Here's the 14-day sprint that we'll do. We build your backend while you watch. Day one, we install your client acquisition OS. By day four, you'll have a professional email infrastructure so you land in the inbox, not spam. By day seven, we install the brain, your AI follow up engine. By day 10, your call prep automation so you walk into every call already knowing what to say. Of course, if you don't want to do calls, we have a process for that as well. And by day 14, we go live and you start actually having calls being booked on your calendar. And this is why this early bird pricing is live right now. And then I work with you over 12 months. And yes, I am guaranteeing $100,000 in booked business in 12 months if you stick with me for 12 months and you put all the work in. I guarantee you this will happen. Okay. So I'll refund you every penny if you don't hit that mark and you actually stick with me for 12 months. And I'll work on it personally as well after that for another 12 months because I am here to see you win. That's why this is such a low cost. That's why this is such a high bar that I am setting to be able to deliver to you because I know exactly how I've done it and I've been doing it for 15 years. Because there are only a certain amount of spots that I'm opening up for this specifically. I have already scraped all the leads for you. I've already built all the scrapers. I have all the things ready to go. I have the paid ads ready to install into your system to run, to go after those leads. Every single process that needs to happen for a super high level outreach, a super high level agency. When I say agency, I cross that out because agencies are the old model of business. Installing AI is the only model of the future. Agencies are dead. What you want to be is an installer if you want to make any money or you want to present yourself as an installer of AI because that's the only future left. So if you're interested in having this type of business, in growing this type of business with me over a year, that is my guarantee to you. You basically don't have to do anything except for have this infrastructure set up, make sure you keep it running, and then when calls come in and they're ready to be booked on your calendar and do the sales calls, if you don't want to do the sales calls, we can get setters, we can get closers set into your business as well. Different options for different people. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Otherwise, sign up below. I look forward to working with you over this next year. Have a great day.